You've probably heard the saying, sharpen the saw. This refers to a philosophy that says that time spent sharpening the saw saves time cutting the wood. In some cases, some people may just get in and right cutting that wood right away. When the saw is dull, it takes extra time. By sharpening the saw, you're even more productive. This applies to the tools in your shop, especially hydraulic jacks and even a lift. Making sure that these have the correct level of hydraulic fluid in them is critical. And there are other hydraulic fluids out there that can condition the seals inside, so you're not stuck 5, 6 years down the road having to replace a vital piece of equipment for your shop. So make sure you're using a jack oil to service these. I'm not just talking about checking the level to make sure it's up where it should be, but maybe even flushing and making sure the condition of the fluid is what it should be. And also inspect for leaks, because if a hydraulic lift, jack, or other piece of equipment has a leak, it's not going to function as it should, and it's putting you at risk. So just keep that in mind. Sharpen the saw by servicing your hydraulic components inside your shop with a jack oil to make sure that it functions properly. I'm Andrew Markell. Thank you very much.